Hi everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. For a cord like this you'll need some yarn. This here is our handmade colors yarn, model very soft, and some glitter thread. You're going to need a crochet hook, a matching crochet hook, scissors, and of course a tapestry needle for sewing. Let's start with a simple slip knot. I'm leaving a longer tail for sewing, and we're doing a circle, put the long strand under the circle and pull it through, and you get a loop and insert your hook through the loop and tighten. Okay, now let's chain 2 stitches for this yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. Okay, now through the second chain stitch we're going to crochet a single crochet. For this, stitch through the second chain from hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, now yarn over and pull through 2, and that's a single crochet. Now let's turn our work. We've got here this stitch. Now we're going through this stitch, yarn over, pull up your loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Again, one more single crochet. Now again, turn your work. Now we're going under these 2 loops. From now on we're going always to use these 2 loops. We didn't have them before at the beginning, but now we have. So pull up your loop, yarn over and pull through 2. So actually, if you've got difficulties to go through your yarn, through your fabric that you worked, and then your tension is too high, try to loosen up your tension. Okay, just turn again, and here are these 2 loops again, and we're going through these loops, pull up and pull through 2, and then again turn, go through these 2 loops, pull up and pull through 2, and again turn, go through these 2, pull up, pull through 2. Yeah, and that's what we're going to repeat all the time. That's the magic. And you continue to do this until it's long enough. It's just endless. So, and this is how it looks like. It's a bit like jewelry. You've got these bumps on each side. It's a very nice look, and yeah, you can use it as a cord for whatever you want, for hoodies or for decorating in your house, or I will be using this as a handle for a purse. If you want to crochet this one, I will link it in the description below. And now we have to cut the yarn, so leave a longer tail for sewing, and then we're going to yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop, and then just pull completely through. Okay, and then tighten. So this will be the end of your cord, and as I said, you can use it as a cord, or you can sew it onto your fabric or onto your purse. Yeah, so I hope this tutorial was helpful. Let me know in the comments and leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified about new videos. And until next time, bye bye.